Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video I will talk about the new join feature which has been recently launched on our channel. So before talking about this new join feature, I would like to thank you all for making us expand our community, and I hope through your love and support we will continue to grow. So in this video I will talk about why you should join our channel and become a member. I request you to watch all that I have to say and decide for yourself if you want to join. So in this video, I will be talking about 6 points which will answer to your question why you should consider joining our channel. So the first such point is it will be a financial support to our channel which will make our channel more sustainable to continue making the videos in future as well. So if we get your financial support, then we will be able to put forward a quality team which will take care of the improvements as well as other aspects of our work, which in turn will improve the quality of content, and it will make our channel more sustainable so that we will continue to make these videos in future as well. So this is one point which is very important to us. Now let us talk about some of the benefits which you will be getting by joining our channel. The first and the most important benefit which I wanted to provide for our members was exclusive videos. But I had conflicting thoughts and emotions on whether to make some exclusive videos for members, since many of you might not be in a financially sound condition to take memberships even if you wanted. Therefore, I have decided to provide all the videos for free. This was the benefit which I wanted to exclusively provide for our members, but finally decided against it. So let us now look at some other benefits which I will be giving to the members. So I am doing something extra for the members. Members requested videos will also be put on our channel. So how will this work? Actually, I will take the top 4 most requested questions by our members, and then I will create a vote or a poll. Only the members will be allowed to put their vote in this poll, and whichever problem or algorithm gets the most vote, I will put forward a video for that problem or algorithm. And the frequency of this will be probably 1 video per week. I will try for this. Okay. So this is a very good feature addition to our channel because many of you keep requesting about make videos on this topic and that topic. So if you join membership, then you will be able to suggest what videos to make, and then I will create a poll, and then the members will decide what videos I should really make. Okay. So I will put 1 video per week for that. Now the next benefit is members only voting rights. So this first point for problem selection is the same as I have said in this point number 3. Okay, for deciding which problem to make video on. Now I will also be taking suggestion for some important decisions like deciding the future topics, which will be done by vote, and some other plans. The next benefit is I will also be doing members only live stream. So this live stream will be an exclusive Q&A live with our members. So here you can ask whatever question you like with me, and only the members will be able to join in this live stream. And finally, I have also made my custom made stickers and badges which will be given to our members. I hope the members only benefits are quite intriguing enough to make you join our channel. I am looking forward to welcome you all as our channel members and support us in our endeavor to provide good quality content for programming and placement interview preparation. Thank you for being patient and supporting our channel. See ya.